Hey everybody! Today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite things in the world, Salsa Roja. The little hot sauce you get at taco trucks, put all over your tacos and burritos. So I'm going to show you my version, so let's get started. So before we start prepping any food, we're going to get a pot of boiling water up and running. And while that's going, we're going to prep these guajillos. We got 3 of them here. Stems come off, seeds come out. We got 10-day arbols down in the corner there. Those are hot. If you like some spicy, put more. If you don't like it spicy, then just do some guajillos. So once we get all the seeds out, stems gone, we're going to toast them in a medium heat cast iron skillet. Use what you got, but cast iron skillets are awesome right here. So they're going to take about 30 seconds each side. Give them a flip. You don't want to burn them, so make sure you use your nose. If the kitchen smells like chili peppers, you're doing good. If they smell like something burning, then get them out of the pan. So once you got them nice and toasted, we'll throw them in the hot tub. Get them all in there. Turn the heat off. Make sure they're all submerged. And then we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes. And we're going to use that timer for a lot of different things. So 20-minute timer set. Garlic goes in. Still has the peel on. Jalapeno goes in. And we're just going to let them hang out. 10 minutes on the garlic, 20 minutes for the jalapeno. Look at that little thing dance. Probably hear the music. So, flipping the garlic. Get the flipper. Make sure they're soft. Squeeze them a little bit. Make sure they're not burning. Getting just a nice little char and caramelizing. And make sure you give that jalapeno a flip where you get all the sides nice and charred up. So, once we're done with that, after about 20 minutes, the timer goes off. We'll peel those little garlics. Nice little caramelization to them. You can see how the jalapeno is charred to hell. That's what we want. Knock the stem off. Throw the jalapeno in. Throw the garlics in. We got our roasted tomatoes. We're going to do half the can and all of the juices. Get it all in there. So once you got that in, we got our chili peppers that are nice and reconstituted with all that beautiful hot tubbing. Get all those in there. 3 guajillos, 10-day arbols. We'll do a big pinch of salt, and we're going to give it a whirl. I'd say give this at least a minute, even more. You want to get all those chili peppers nice and pulverized. Let it go. And then this is nice and chunky. If you like it a little thinner, then you can do a little trick. Use the water that you use for the chilies. Pour a little in there, put it back in the blender. Makes it a little thinner. There it is, folks. Salsa Roja. It's a little spicy. Don't be scared. But it's good. Put it on anything. Put it on tacos, put it on burritos. But most importantly, enjoy.